Hello, everyone. It's me, your friendly neighborhood planetarium director. Hey, with so many new faces in the district and some scheduling being shifted to some other folks, I think it's high time that I talk a little bit about how to get your classes here, show you around a little bit. So, I made this short video to try to illustrate some of the cool things that you have as opportunities, as well as how you can get your classes here. So, before I talk about it, I want to take you guys inside the planetarium. So let's go inside right now, a little bit of a virtual, like front entrance to seat kind of thing. And then we'll talk a little bit more about what's going on and how you can get here. Now that you guys are inside the planetarium, you can see just how amazing this place is. Some feedback, or some details rather. There are 12 planetariums in all of Wisconsin. There are three in high schools, and ours is the best. And here's why. In 2016, the Walter Alexander Foundation decided we're going to have the best, and they put almost to the tune of $500,000 external money into the district to make this the best planetarium for your students. So we've got a tremendous opportunity here. The planetariums across the world, research shows, increases learning from its immersive environment. And it's just, kids love the place. And if you bring your kids here, you're going to be a hero. And I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do that. And the best part is, inside of the school district, it's included as part of their curriculum. So it's free. All right, let's shift over now so I can talk about how you're going to get your kids here. So, first of all, to comply with state and national science standards for at least 20 years, district level curriculum committees have made student planetarium visits a part of our district's guaranteed and viable curriculum. And what that means is that the following district classrooms are guaranteed an annual planetarium visit as part of their class, regardless of which school they're in. This includes 4K, second grade, fourth grade, sixth, seventh, and eighth grade classrooms all come to the planetarium every year. Now, there are other optional years, third grade and extensive use in high schools, but these are the required, guaranteed, viable curriculum visits. Each program is different and at a correct pedagogical level, so we cover the related standards at where those kids are at. So the 4K kids visit, we talk about day and night, Earth's rotation. Second grade, sky observations and how they can use their observations to apply it for predictions in the sky. Fourth grade, we talk about solar systems and planets. Sixth grade are seasons and moon phases and eclipses. Seventh grade, global environmental studies. And in eighth grade, we talk about the whole universe, cosmological systems. So, how do you get your students here? Well, you head on out to a website. It looks like this. This is the actual address right here. WausauSpace.org is where you want to go. And you can go there on your laptop or tablet or phone. It doesn't matter how you get there. But once you're here, you're going to want to look for schools. And there is a menu system up at the top. If you're unfamiliar or unsure once you're here, you can just click visit. And there's a description here about what best describes your visit. I'm going to assume at this point or pretend I am a fourth grade teacher from Grant Elementary, and I want to bring my kids for that fourth grade program. So I'm going to click on the school programs. And we'll get here to my steps 1, 2, and 3 on how to reserve a program. So first it says review the frequently asked questions. So I can read down here, what topics can I see? It says here, Wausau School District, part of our curriculum, you just only have to select the grade. I'm a fourth grade teacher. I select the fourth grade class. When can I bring my classes? Uh, there's information here about that. How many? How long is the visit? You guys don't have to worry about cost. Wausau School District, it's part of the curriculum. If you have a question that's not answered here, my contact information is down in the lower right-hand corner. You can either give me a call or an email, and I'll answer your question. So I've read the information. Now, number 2, I want to review the calendar to find an open date and time. I like to usually do this in a separate tab. So I've got the planetarium's website in the first tab. I'll just going to hold down Control key and open up a separate tab here. And so here's the planetarium calendar. We can see, that's this week. It looks like orange is a confirmed program and purple is pending. We'll see how important that is in a second. Okay, so this week is already too late and just a couple of days ahead. Next week, no, that's not going to really work out for my Friday. Could work, but I'm sitting here with my team. I've worked on teams. I understand that you guys need to plan in the moment. So Friday the 1st, no, we've got a reading situation happening, so that's not going to work for us. This week doesn't look much better. Let's see. I'm going to go. Oh, hey, Friday the 15th. You could. I think we have a special school day situation happening that day. So noon, right after lunch on Friday, October 15th. That looks good to me. So I'm gonna. It's open on the calendar. So I'm going to switch back over here, and it says review the calendar, which I did. I'm now ready to request a program. So I click the request a program button. I'm going to put my name in here, and I'm at Grant School, and the email. This is important that you put the entire email in here. So if I just put that will not get me my email. You will not receive a confirmation. So it's very important that you put the whole thing and spell correctly, of course. Let's see here if I can read without my glasses on. Okay, so I've got to put the whole email address in there. Program selection is easy. I'm a fourth grader, so fourth grade. And I go select the date and the time. So I'm going to select, let's see here, October 15th. And the time on that was 12 o'clock p.m., right after lunch. And attendance, it's not required. We have 48 max. I have 28. I am fourth grade. And any notes? Yes, there are some notes. I have a student in a wheelchair. Spelled correctly. Okay, so I have a student in a wheelchair. This should be everything I need. I just have to put my CAPTCHA in here and submit. Scroll back up to the top and it says, aha, school program, thanks for the request. Now here's the really cool part. I've already received an email with this information in it. You've received an email with this information in it. And if I go back to calendar and I update it, and if I move forward to October 15th, we'll see now in purple on our calendar page right here is my reservation, noon on October 15th. This means no one else can book in that spot. It's yours. So in your team meeting, in just a couple minutes, you can set aside and block off the time that you need so no one else can block it. This is effectively yours. Instantaneously, it's yours. I'll get the confirmation. I'll just double check everything's real good. And then I go ahead and confirm it. And I'll send you a confirmation email and you will get this. And it'll probably even show up in your Google Calendar as well as an invitee. So hopefully this helps you schedule a group to the planetarium. If you do have any questions, I'm always here to answer them for you. I realize, there's a question about busing. The bus request, best ask the building level administrative assistant. They handle field trips all the time. They are pros at this. So if you've never handled a bus request form, talk to your building level admin assistants and they will hook you up. Buses are also paid as part of the curriculum budget. So you don't have to pay for the planetarium or the bus. You just have to book online and talk to your building level admin assistant about filling out a bus request. Please reach out if you have any questions. I'm really looking forward to you and your students here in the planetarium. I love showing this place off. It is spectacular. Thank you guys very much. Take care.